start. The only issue is as to whether the buyer of the land, after issuance of notification under section 3D of the 1956 Act, has right to receive compensation, full stop. Section 3C of the 1956 Act deals with hearing of objections after issuance of notification under Section 3A thereof, which talks of pension interested to file objection to the proposal for acquisition of land, full stop. Such an objector has a right of hearing as well, full stop. Section 3G within bracket 3 of the 1956 Act, which deals with determination of compensation payable on account of acquisition or right to enjoyment of the land, also provides that claims ought to be invited from all persons interested in the land to be acquired, full stop. Subsection 4 thereof further provides that such persons interested are entitled to appear before the competent authority to present their respective claims, full stop. Subsections 7, B, C, and D thereof provide that the competent authority or the arbitrator, while determining the amount under subsection 1 or subsection 5, shall take into consideration the damages suffered by the person interested at the time of taking over possession of the land, injuriously affecting his other immovable property or earnings, compulsion to change his residence or place of business, the reasonable expenses on account of change of residence or place of business, full stop. Section 3H3 of the 1956 Act provides that where several persons claim to be interested in the amount deposited under subsection 1, the competent authority shall determine the persons who, in his opinion, are entitled to receive the same, full stop. In terms of subsection 4, in case of dispute as to the appointment or the person to whom the compensation in full or part is payable, the dispute is to be referred for decision to the court of principal civil judge of original jurisdiction within whose jurisdiction the land is situated. Section 3G3 of the 1956 Act provides that before determination of compensation, the competent authority shall give notice in 2 local newspapers inviting claims from all the persons interested in the land to be acquired, full stop. The words used therein, all persons interested and the land to be acquired, establish that the land has not been acquired, full stop. The claims can be filed by all persons interested, full stop. A person in whose favor a sale deed has been registered before announcement of award, will certainly fall in that category, full stop. The term person interested has not been defined under the 1956 Act, though it has been repeatedly used in various provisions of the Act, such as Section 3C within bracket 1 and 3G within bracket 7 within bracket B, comma C and D, full stop, despite the fact that the phrase person interested has been used in the 1956 Act in number of sections, comma, but still the same has not been defined, full stop. Section 3 of the 1956 Act contains only two definitions, comma, that is competent authority and land, full stop, in the absence thereof, comma, to give true meaning to the term person interested with reference to the spirit of the act, comma, in our opinion, comma, help can be taken from the statutes which are pari materia. The word person interested has been defined under subsection 3b of the 1894 Act, full stop. Section 3x of the 2013 Act has enlarged the definition of the word persons interested, full stop. The 1894 Act dealt with acquisition of land prior to its repeal with the enactment of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, comma, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act, comma, 2013. In short, the 2013 Act, full stop. The expression person interested was defined in section 3b of the 1894 Act to include all persons claiming interest in compensation of the land on account of its acquisition, full stop. The same reads as under.